Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth, and now let's dive right in. Now in order to connect your Google Maps to the car Bluetooth, first open up your Bluetooth on your device or the Bluetooth settings of your device, and then turn on your Bluetooth on your device as well as on your car. And after opening your Bluetooth settings, guys, all of your devices will be over here, or you can just scan for any available devices including your car. Connect to your car's Bluetooth on your phone as you connect to any other device on your phone. And after connecting your phone's Bluetooth to your car's Bluetooth, you'll be required to open the Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Maps application, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon is available for us over here. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this interface appears, tap on the settings button over here just below your data in Maps. Tap on settings, and again scroll down, and over here you can see the navigation settings over here just above manage your preferences. Tap on navigation settings, and when you land on this interface, make sure these two buttons where it says play voice over Bluetooth and play voice during phone calls, these two buttons are enabled, and then your Google Maps will be connected to your phone's Bluetooth, and any direction or any suggestions which you might pick up from the Google Maps will be available on your car's speaker as well. And with that being said, guys, this is how to connect Google Maps to car's Bluetooth. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.